Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, the channel dedicated to elevating your living space, inside and out. Today, we delve into the captivating realm of creative garden design and tips for creating beautiful and unique garden at home. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Let's begin by defining creative garden design. It transcends the traditional notion of flower beds and neatly trimmed hedges. It's about pushing boundaries, embracing individuality, and crafting an outdoor space that reflects your unique personality. Imagine a whimsical haven adorned with cascading vines, a secret meditation nook tucked beneath a weeping willow, or a vibrant vegetable patch boasting artistic trellises. The possibilities are truly endless. Why choose a creative approach? The benefits are manifold. First, it injects personality into your outdoor space, making it a true extension of your home. Second, it fosters a sense of wonder and delight, transforming your garden into a destination for relaxation and rejuvenation. Finally, creative gardens often utilize space-saving techniques like vertical plantings or raised beds, making them ideal for smaller backyards. Now, let's get down to brass tacks. How do you transform an ordinary space into a creative masterpiece? The key lies in embracing a few key principles. First, theme. Start with a theme that resonates with you. Do you yearn for a tranquil Japanese garden or a vibrant, bohemian explosion of color? Let your theme guide your plant and material selections. Second, levels and textures. Play with different heights and textures to create visual interest. Incorporate raised beds, tiered planters, and climbing plants alongside low-growing ground covers and smooth pebbles. Third, unexpected elements. Surprise and delight your guests with unexpected elements. A repurposed bird bath, a mosaic stepping stone pathway, or a strategically placed wind chime can add a touch of whimsy. When selecting plants, consider those that complement your theme and thrive in your climate. Here's a diverse list of 10 outstanding options to get your creative juices flowing. 1. Climbing roses. These fragrant beauties add vertical drama and romantic charm. 2. Lavender. With its soothing fragrance and beautiful purple blooms, lavender creates a sense of tranquility. 3. Succulents. Perfect for low-maintenance gardens, succulents offer a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. 4. Air plants. These unique, soil-less plants thrive in hanging planters or mounted on driftwood. 5. Japanese maples. Their stunning foliage brings a touch of elegance and year-round visual interest. 6. Ornamental grasses. With their graceful swaying forms, ornamental grasses add movement and texture to any garden. 7. Crinum lilies. These low-maintenance bulbs boast striking, trumpet-shaped flowers. 8. Hydrangeas. These colorful bloomers come in a wide range of hues and thrive in shady areas. 9. Caladiums. The foliage of these shade-loving plants boasts vibrant colors and unique patterns. 10. Herb gardens. Not only visually appealing, but also functional, herb gardens add a delightful touch to any culinary enthusiast space. Showcase a variety of these plants on screen. And to complete your inspiration, hear the compilation of the top 10 creative garden design ideas that you can try to choose. 1. Vertical gardens. Utilize space efficiently with lush vertical gardens on walls or fences. 2. Secret garden nooks. Create a secluded haven for quiet reflection or meditation. 3. Water features. Add a touch of tranquility and serenity with a small fountain or pond. 4. Upcycled treasures. Repurpose old furniture, tires, or bathtubs as unique planters. 5. Moonlit ambience. String fairy lights or lanterns to create a magical evening atmosphere. 6. Sculptural elements. Introduce visual interest with strategically placed sculptures or statues. 7. Interactive seating. Build a comfortable swing, hammock, or fire pit area for gatherings. 8. Living wall art. Create living art installations using vertical hanging pockets filled with vibrant plants. 9. Edible gardens. Design a space that's both beautiful and bountiful, incorporating vegetables, herbs, and fruit trees. 10. Themed pathways. Create winding pathways with different materials like gravel, stepping stones, or recycled wood chips to enhance your garden's flow. Remember, unleashing your creativity is key. Don't be afraid to experiment and personalize your garden to reflect your unique style. For more inspiration and helpful tips, be sure to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs and hit that notification bell. Let us know in the comments below what creative garden design element speaks to you the most. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of creative garden design. We hope you're feeling inspired to transform your outdoor space into a stunning oasis. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.